Hey traders, welcome to the Forex Muse, your go-to spot for leveling up your trading game. Today, we're diving into a mindset shift that can transform how you approach the market. If you've ever been thrown off by a losing streak or wondered why your strategy isn't working, this video is for you. We're going to break down why randomness is your friend, not your enemy, and how embracing it can set you up for long-term success. Let's get started. Trading isn't about being right every time. It's about understanding the unpredictable nature of it all. Let's break it down and see how you can turn uncertainty into your secret weapon. Picture this. Trading is like stepping into a casino where the odds are always shifting. You can't predict every spin, but you can play the game smarter. Let's unpack 5 big ideas to help you do just that. 1. Every trade stands alone. First things first. Every trade you make is its own moment. Think of it like spinning a roulette wheel. Whether it landed on black or red last time doesn't tip the scales for the next spin. The markets work the same way. It doesn't keep a scorecard of your past wins or losses to decide what happens next. So don't let a bad day trick you into thinking you're due for a win. Stay focused on the setup in front of you, not what's behind you. 2. Rough patches are normal. Here's the deal. Even rock-solid strategies hit bumps. Picture a pro surfer. They catch great waves, but sometimes they wipe out. Doesn't mean they're bad. It's just part of the sport. In trading, losing streaks are inevitable. You'll face stretches where nothing seems to work. That doesn't mean your system's broken. They're just the natural ebb and flow of the markets. It's baked into the system. Stay cool, stick to your plan, and ride it out. 3. Wild surprises will happen. Now, this one's wild. Expect the unexpected. Sometimes, the markets pull stunts that feel straight up impossible. It's like planning a beach day with perfect weather, only to get hit by a freak storm. You might have a strategy that's golden 9 out of 10, but that 10th time, it'll test you. Those outlier moments, crazy losing runs, or weird market moves are rare, but they're real. Expect them, and you won't be blindsided. 4. Play the long game. Here's a pro tip. Zoom out for the big picture. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Judging your trading skills on a few trades is like rating a movie based on its opening scene. You've got to watch the whole story unfold. Pro traders look at their performance over dozens, even hundreds of trades. The ups and downs smooth out over time, revealing what's really working. So don't sweat the daily drama. Focus on the long game. 5. Build a winning edge. Last but not least, your strategy needs to give you an edge. Think of it like running a coffee shop. If you make $4 per cup and spend $2 on beans, you're pocketing $2 each time. That's your edge. In trading, it's about having a system where your wins outweigh your losses over time. We call this positive expectancy. And with enough trades, it's what keeps you in the green, even when the markets get messy. So here's the takeaway. Treat every trade like a clean slate. Roll with the tough streaks, they're normal. Brace for the wild stuff that'll catch you off guard. Measure success over the long haul. Make sure your system has that winning edge. The markets are messy, unpredictable, but that's where the magic happens and where opportunity hides. Embrace the chaos, stick to your plan, and you'll come out on top. That's a wrap. If this video flipped your trading mindset, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Tell me in the comments, what's the craziest market moment you've survived? Let's chat about it. Thanks for hanging out, keep trading smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.